fryer toaster ovens are just as popular as basket-style air fryers. Before we get started, if you're new here, click the subscribe button in the corner. They're essentially mini convection ovens and can help save on space in the kitchen. They heat up super quickly and are really efficient in cooking your food. We consider these a do-everything appliance because they have more functions than your standard air fryer. So these are a combination of an oven, an air fryer, and a toaster oven. Some can perform up to 13 different functions, and many come with fun accessories like a rotisserie. So we always recommend air fryers with a digital control so you have more accuracy when cooking. They're designed to fit 12-inch pizzas, whole chickens, or 9 standard slices of bread. Some can fit a casserole dish or a quarter sheet pan. So they may be more expensive than your standard air fryer, but they offer a lot more versatility. So in testing, we evaluated the size, ease of use, the number of functions, and also if they had any special claims. We toasted bread at every setting available and recorded how long it took and toasting progression between levels. We tested the air fry function using 1 pound of frozen fries. We tested the bake function by baking some store-bought cookie dough balls at 350 for 12 minutes. We roasted 2 bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts at 425 until the internal temperature was 165, and noted how long it took, how crispy the skin got, and how juicy the meat was. We also evaluated how easy it was to clean each model. So these are 3 of our top picks for air fryer toaster ovens. Our pick for the best overall is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. It's our most expensive pick, but you're paying for quality. It will last you for years. It has a digital interface, 13 different settings, and in testing, it performed every task perfectly. I actually have this same one at home, and I use it almost every single day. It can fit a 5-quart Dutch oven. It can air fry, make great toast. One of my favorite functions is that it can proof dough, which is hard to do in your regular oven because the temperature doesn't go low enough. One bummer is it doesn't come with a drip tray, so I know when I'm going to be cooking something especially drippy, I'll line the bottom rack with foil. Another top pick is the Cuisinart TOA 65 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. So Cuisinart has several different models, but we like the 65 best, specifically because it has a digital interface. Toast and fries came out really well, and the fry basket actually sits on a tray that catches any crumbs and drips, which works particularly well for things like chicken wings. So it has fewer accessories and bells and whistles than the Breville does, but if you're looking for something that's good at baking, toasting, and air frying, it's a great choice. Our pick for best value is the Cosori 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It has 12 different settings, including a ferment function, which is essentially turning it into a proof box for rising your bread.
This one is unique because it comes with a rotisserie. You can use it to make a classic chicken, or for other meats like lamb for gyros, or even a pork tenderloin.
So as you see, air fryer toaster ovens are great. If you have the space and want a multifunction appliance, it's essentially like having a second oven. We love air fryer toaster ovens and hope that you learned something about them today. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel.